We'll do it all, everything on our own. We don't need anything or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
The making.
Video na yan. I just want to say hi to my mom and my dad. Habay, and then I want to say hi to you, Brad. We miss you all.
That's all.
And
Busy ako, busy.
Kim loves you so much, and what you ask for? It's really, you know, it's really a good thing for you, both of you, to love each other. And I'm sorry that you didn't pass the board exam because of this guy. That's really. He was really the reason why you didn't pass the exam.
I know that you're just joking.
No, I'm not.
Madilim ka, Bert?
Bigay mo yan.
Sorry, your mouth.
Bigay mo yan. Cut mo yan, cut.
And I want to say also advance. Ilan mo na dyan? Mansari. Third Mansari. And wish you all the best, both of you. And it's really a hard meeting for us, you know. It's really Bert's fault, you know. I just wanted to move on about the exam and then, you know, look forward. Ikaw naman, Bert, tapos ako.
My mouth is... My mouth is full.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, Bert. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
Natapos din.
Hey, Leo, say something about Don.
See, I like Bert to be the second one. I'll take the final message.
Yes.
I will take my meal first.
Look at the camera!
I just take my meal, then I will the next after you.
You will be the next after me.
Go ahead.
Good evening. Can you see me? Can you see me? Isn't me blurred? Ano ba sabihin ko? Kailangan ba English strictly? Yvonne, what's up? It's me, Leo, one of your friends. Okay? And we are here in Bird's Crib. Yeah. And I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Third birthday with Kim.
Yes.
And it's nice to see you together. However, apparently, you're not physically together. So
Yeah.
it's okay.
Actually, we're eating quail eggs, but no balots.
Actually, this situation is Pilet. We were paid by Kim 20 pesos.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to see you in December. And, you know, see you in the next fight.
Yes.
Oh, Viking! Boxers without rep.
You know,
We miss you.
we also miss the small but shallow one, you know.
You know the brown something in your boxers? I thought it was a boxer, but it was a skin. and it is not a smooth skin. It is kulubot, you know. With a curly hair on the top. Like quail egg. Like this one. Oh, your turn.
Oh, that's good. That's great.
Do we need some lights to see Bert or what?
How are you? You know, that's all. I'm so happy that we're all us here with Kim.
No, what you can say about Bon?
About Bon.
Describe Bon.
Oh, Bon.
Oh,
Bon is
that's a big one.
it's a very good friend. Yes.
Why is that?
He's so understanding, loving, and caring.
Hardworking, determined to learn, willing to be trained.
Yes.
What else? What else? What else?
Would you like to say sorry about the broadcast? Because we also it's really our fault.
No, that's not my fault.
Why?
Because he deserves that. I'm just kidding.
So bad.
You know that.
No, that's not what he meant.
Yeah.
Ayoko na.
She just can't say, oh,
Eh sana medyo inaantok na naman ako eh. Nag-shot kami nila Bert sabi si Kim. Pero si Kim hindi minom. So ayun, see you soon. So I miss you brother. So ano ba? Ito na kami kilala kung bakit ka bukas sa board. Ano talaga ito mukha na talaga mo. So I love you Bon. So basta let's meet and see you on December. So in shot. Kung saan gusto mapunta sa Fish Brother lang. Medyo mainit jeep eh. Don't worry. Si Bert talaga usan talaga. Ito. Sila yun. Doon na ito. So paano? I hope makita mo itong video namin na ginawa namin para sa okay? Thank you for doing this. Okay? Love you, Brad.
Hi, Bon. Dito ako ngayon kay na Bert. Alam mo bakit? Kasi si Kim. Nag-effort si Kim na i-gather kami dito. Ako, si Bon. Ako, si Bert. Si Daniel. Para mag-greet ka namin ng Happy Mansary to the both of you. Kaya ni Kim. So yun. Gaya na sabi ko yun ha. Sana magtagal pa kayo. Sana mga 3 months pa. Sana for a lifetime. Excited namin sa pag-uwi mo. And so 20 days ka pala dito. So susulitin namin yung 20 days mo. 19 days namin, 1 day kay Kim, okay? Joke lang. So ayun, ingat ka palagi dyan and magpayaman ka dyan ha. Saka miss you. I love you.
Gulat ka, no? Ako din, nagulat eh. Brads. Basta. Si Bert to. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Speechless ako eh. Basta, Brads. Miss na kita, Brads. Ngayong wala na akong work. Babawi ako sa sa pagkukulang ko. Hindi tayo laging nakakamag-chat. Go on. Ayun, gusto ko lang i-greet kayo ni Kim ng advance Happy Mansary, 3rd Mansary. Wish you all the best sa inyong dalawa. Sana maging kayo na yung magkatuluyan sa until the end ng relationship nyo. Then ingat ka dyan. Excited na kami sa pag-uwi mo sa December. Kumusta kay Mami Bon, kay Daddy Bon?
sa kay Emperor, tsaka kay
Big Kim.
Kay Big Kim. Yan. Request ni Kim. Dahil malakas to sa akin eh. Paano ba? Go na? Cha-cha. Kung nanonood ka ng Itbulaga, Brad. Ito yung tamang pag-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam.
Gangnam Style. Ganyan tayo magbenta. Gangnam Style naman. May nag-request dito.
Opa, Gangnam Style.
Opa, Gangnam Style. Opa, Gangnam Style. Baliktad. Ayun. Sana...
Doggy.
Doggy.
Love you.
Doggy, next time na lang pagdating mo dito. Sige, Brad. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Hi, Kelvin. Happy Monstery. I love you. We may not celebrating our Monstery together, but I want it to be so special. You know how much I love you, Kelvin. You don't have to ask me not to leave you because I am not going to do that. Like what I am always telling you, you're like waiting for the sun to come down on your face, and even if that would happen, I am still not leaving you. I love you, 3 down, forever to go. I love you.
Hey, shout, I know you be hearing this and that from here and there, but please trust and believe, little mama. I see you gon' ride for me, so I'ma die for you. Is you with me?
I got your back,
But let's get it.
We were
But when it's all good, so when it's all
but I
right,
promise I will never let you go.
now what you call that?
I got your back.
You got my back, right? Guess I know you got my back,
Keep my
right?
swagger, keep it looking good for you, keep it looking hood for you. And shawty, if you don't know, I got your back.
You got my back, right?
I got your back.
You got my back. Hey, it's whatever, shawty, you ain't gotta ask. Yes, Valentino blouses on my house is cash. Okay, you can get it, you